Where we at, Zachy?
Yeah, hang on. Can we just get comfy?
So a couple minutes ago we could see across the lake, and now you can't see that lake. I don't know which one's which. There's a mini haha and a Mineola.
Mineola is this one.
Oh, look, you can see it coming through the trees now.
You can see it. Holy crap.
That's the citrus groves right there. And then on this side it's still sunny.
Yeah, I like watching it. I'm like, if I saw a tornado coming, I'd be gone. Yeah.
I can see some on the window.
That is kind of fun.
I can see a rain moving. That is so cool. I can see on that is so cool.
Are the windows are getting wet now?
I can see on
You won't even be able to see us. Look at that. Look.
You can't even see half a mile out.
And the time I walked across or around the tower, we've gone to this.
You can't even see half a mile out. That's insane.
I thought there were always stairs to get up.
It's coming in.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Look at that, Zachy. This lake's gonna disappear now.
How come no one's up here?
There's one person up here.
Nobody really comes up when it's raining. How do you get out of your car without getting wet?
Yeah.
This thing can't focus very good like that.
Ozzy, look! Whoa! Oh my god! Bubba? I can feel the rain from here.
I don't think we're going to the lake today. I don't think it's going to be able to happen.
Why?
It's raining.
I got some rain on me, guys.
Whoa, it's coming up out of here.
It is. It's coming through the window.
Finally, I got some rain. Oh,
Look.
Dude, the window's flooding. Mom, look at that. Look at that. It's a river.
There's our truck. Hi, truck.
I'm glad I brought my umbrella. I'm a smart person.
And in 5 minutes it'll be sunny again. Oh, wait, is that?
There's flooding.
rain.
Look, over there is flooding.
I got some rain.
Where's it flooding?
It's already rain.
Where?
Oh my god. Where did you go?
Okay, say bye to that lake.
Oh my gosh! Oh my! Oh yeah, Ray!
I think he wants you to pick him up.
Audrey, look at this beautiful home. What's happening? Look at this home.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Ray,
Look, Audrey, come here. The rain's coming sideways over here. Look at this.
rain everywhere. Yeah. Oh my god.
Look at that. It's coming in straight sideways. Look at that.
Here too.
Look, right over here on this side. Audrey, you see it best over here? Look.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Is that rain? That's hail.
It's not hail.
It looks like hail. Those are white little.
No, it's just really fat drops. Hail would go straighter.
By the way, I don't have shoes on. By the way, I don't have shoes
You know, talk to them about their music selection up here. Be a lot more fun in a thunderstorm with some death metal. What's going on over here?
I have never seen rain from the window. By the way, I'm watching where is she? By the way, she's down. Oh, it's flooding in Thunderstorm.
Oh, Mom.
Can you guys see the lake still? What do you see, Deanie? You see like less than half of the lake now. You see that half.
Oh my gosh. Look at the